YouTube? How y'all doing? So this is going to be a very simple, down and dirty, short clip. What I'm doing is here, I'm going to put up a rack or a tour pack because I like this bike without a tour pack except on long road drives. So I like it better locally without the tour pack. So we're going to put it up on the wall step by step. So here we go. So as I said, this is the tour pack. This is a 2016 Road Glide Ultra CVO detachable tour pack, and we're going to mount it right there. So I've already got the locations drilled in, or the marks where I'm going to drill. So we're going to drill these spots and go from there. All right, so we're back. We've got the brackets up. We drill pilot holes for each of the 4 spots, 1/8 inch. These are 1/2 inch bolts, so it's pretty simple to do. Putting those in each bolt. The directions for the mount say you can put this facing in or facing out, either way, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Next, we'll be putting in these rods, and you'll see the next step. All right, so we're back, and as you can see, it took a couple minutes there, a couple seconds really. Put the 2 rods in, and they came with black end caps. So now we'll put on the tour pack and see how it looks. Only challenge we saw actually here during the mounting process was a lot of torque on this bolt ended up snapping off. But it seems like it's real nice and sturdy as it is, so we're going to see if it works and go from there. Well, there we go. It's mounted up and it seems pretty solid. What I didn't say before was you can see those extra holes there. That is because they designed it so that not every tour pack rack or mounting system is original equipment manufactured from Harley Davidson. A lot of people get third-party type of racks to go for tour packs. So this makes you gives the buyer, the user, the ability to adjust the rack as necessary. So it goes on both sides. Doing it with one person was a little challenging, but it's okay because all I did actually, I found it kind of easy to latch in the bottom first, and then use its own leverage against itself, tilt it up, and slide the bar through. So it's a little pain in the ass, but it works. Yeah, it's awesome. It gets it off the floor, out of the way, and that is a great one. Huge, huge shout out to Great Lakes Custom Iron, tourpackstoragerack.com. Check them out, guys, because they are great. Anybody who has a tour pack, you want to get it off the floor, get it out of the way. This is a great one. It's sturdy, solid.